Hello everyone, welcome to Artistry and Lines. Okay, so today I will start the tutorial of how to make different things using Adobe Photoshop. As in my previous video, I have teach you a lot of things we can make using Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Now we will move towards Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. Okay, so in Adobe Photoshop, you have to first create a new page. For this, you have to select the option create new. A window is open where you can see different page layout types. You have to select web large page. Then click on the option create. So a page is created on your Adobe Photoshop like this. Now I will tell you some basic functions of the tools we are using in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so now you can see here are so many options visible on the above page. These are basically the option for alignment, and this is a moving tool. Moving towards the color section, there are so many options like swatches, like gradients and patterns. In Adobe Photoshop, we have additional option of patterns. By the help of this option, we can make so many patterns of trees, grass or water on the above page. See, these are some gradient option visible on the color section of Adobe Photoshop. Okay, moving towards the tool, this is elliptical tool. This is text tool, and this is a custom shape tool. From the custom shape, you can customize any kind of shape like the shape of a lion or any other species. This is a brush tool, this is a marker tool, this is a crop tool, and this is a pen tool, and this is again the color tool. Okay, so now we are starting our first tutorial of Adobe Photoshop. I will start from a simple cartoon character making so you can easily understand how to use Adobe Photoshop tool. Click on the option elliptical tool and then select the elliptical shape and place it on the page with the help of a cursor like this. For filling the color, you have to first click on the option move tool and then select a yellow color and press Alt backspace for coloring on this shape. After coloring it, now you have to press Ctrl V for deleting the outline. Okay, so in Adobe Photoshop, for every single step, you have to change the layers. For adding layer option, you have to click on this plus sign. So you will get the layer 2 option. After getting layer 2 option, now you have to draw the ears of this character like this. Now again you have to fill the color of this ear by pressing Alt plus backspace and then press Ctrl V so the outlines get removed. Now you have to make one by one the eyes of this character. For this, first you have to select the layer by pressing or clicking this plus sign option. After that, layer 3 will be visible. Now you have to select the option elliptical again for the eyes. And you have to draw eyes of the character like this. After drawing the oval shape, now you have to fill the eye color with black color. By the same option, press Alt plus backspace for coloring the eye. Now you have to create another layer inside this eye. After that, you have to fill this with white color. And again you have to draw another elliptical shape inside this eye. after that, fill the color of this third layer with blue. Now again you have to select an elliptical shape like this and fill it with white color. Okay, so here our first eye of the character is ready. For the second eye, you have to again select new layer for new eye. And after that, follow the previous steps. Okay, so eyes are ready. Now you have to make a mouth. For this, select a new layer, then again select the elliptical option, and after that, move the cursor like this. Okay, so basically we have to draw two layers of the mouth. First, we have filled it with white color, and the second one is for tongue. We will fill it with red color. Now you have to draw the teeth of this character. For this, you have to select the elliptical option and then select the rectangle shape. Then draw rectangle shape inside of the tongue by the help of the cursor and then fill it with white color. So our character is almost ready. Now you have to select another layer and then select the option elliptical for the cheek design. First take the layer and then select on the option elliptical and then place it like this on the cheek. After that you have to fill the cheek color with pink. And your cartoon character is ready. So basically it's a basic video in which I have teached you how to use Adobe Photoshop tools, and here I have given you an example of this cartoon character we have made through Adobe Photoshop. In Adobe Photoshop, you have to remember some functions like for every single step, like I have draw eyes, nose, cheeks, or whatever. You have to select new layers for every single step, and for coloring an object, you have to press Alt plus backspace, and for removing the outline, you have to press Ctrl V. These are some basic functions you have to learn for drawing something using Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so that's for all for today. I hope you guys really enjoy a lot. Follow up my channel for upcoming exciting videos. Stay tuned.